Can you think back to when you had a hunch about something and it came true? Well, that was you accessing your intuition. And the thing is, as we get older and there's more and more stress and tension put upon us, we can't access that intuition very easily. I'm a certified spiritual life coach, and I work with women all the time to teach them how to access that intuition again, to get the answers that they need. And in this video, I'm going to share that process with you. So, the number one tool that I use to access my intuition, is what I teach to my clients, is to use meditation. And a lot of people think that meditation is just to relax your body, to calm your mind, and it is great for those things, but it's also used to just reach that peace within you, to access that peace within you, to create that space within you so that you can access your intuition. And when you can do that, you can get the answer to anything that you want. The answers to everything that you need is within you. You just have to create enough space to access them. And no amount of thinking hard is going to get you the answers to what you need. That just creates more stress and more tension so that you're just blocking your intuition. But when you can create that space within you, through creating that, finding that peace within you, then you can access your intuition, get the answers to what you need, and then know how to move forward. So, I'd like to share a short meditation with you, walk you through it. It's going to be a closed eye meditation, so please don't do this if you're driving or operating machinery. And we're also going to be doing nose breathing. That's the type of breathing that will allow you to be the most peaceful. So, if you're able to close your eyes, just look at a spot above you and close your eyes. And as you exhale, visualize the number three times. And you should be feeling that your body's relaxing a little bit, softening your shoulders, any tension behind your neck, your jaw. And then keeping your eyes closed, inhale again. And as you exhale, visualize the number three times. And you should be able to sense that your mind is calming. Your thoughts are either slowing down or maybe even stopping altogether. And one last time, breathe in. And as you exhale, visualize the number three times. And now you should be able to get a sense of that peace within you, that space that's within you. This is your true self, not all the tension and stress that's been piled on you, but the peace, the space within you. And just to go a little bit further with relaxing, just visualize a lilac colored balloon coming right in front of you. Lilac is the color for release. It's a quantum color, not just a color that you see, but it actually has the frequency of release. And see the doors of this balloon opening. And imagine taking any stress that you're feeling right now, whether it's in your body, maybe there's some pain, or there's just some tension. You can put that into the balloon. And if you have any thoughts that are just won't let you, just circulating, they keep circulating, they just won't let you go. See the thoughts going into the balloon as well. And then see the doors of the balloon closing, and then just see it floating away in the wind. Now just take a deep breath and feel even calmer, even more relaxed. And then think of a question that you have. Maybe it's something dealing with your job or your business, Or maybe it's something dealing with relationships with your family. Or maybe you have a question about your health and what to do to improve your health. Maybe you just want to improve your personal growth. And just ask that question. And when you ask that question into the space, into the peace that's within you, that you've accessed now, you're going to be able to get an answer. When I first started doing this, I could count to the count of three, 1, 2, 3, and the answer would be there. You may not get the answer right away. It may come when you are walking out in nature, or when you're taking a bath or a shower, and maybe when you're playing with your pet or with your children. But know that the answer is within you. All the answers that you need are within you. You just have to be quiet enough to access them. So perhaps you've gotten the answer now, or perhaps you'll get it later. That's okay. But if you've gotten the answer now, then you can visualize yourself taking action with whatever it may be. It may be having a conversation with somebody. It may be taking a step at work. It may be taking a nap. Maybe you were told that you need to have some rest. Or maybe it's that you need to have some exercise. And you can go outside, take a walk, or take a run. Or maybe it's just to spend some more quiet time to get more answers to the questions that you have. And just see yourself taking that action. And if you'd like, another quantum color is the color royal blue. It's sometimes called French blue. And just see that action that you're seeing yourself take. Just see that just encapsulated in this royal blue. That is the color of power and protection. So you can see yourself being protected as you're taking that action, and you can see yourself being empowered as you're taking that action. And you can do this at any time. As I said, you've got those answers within you, any of the answers that you need, and you can visualize yourself taking action, the action that you need to reach the goal that you have in mind. So we're just going to end the meditation in a calming way, in a grounding way. Just rub your hands together and then put your hand over your eyes. Open your hands, open your eyes into your hands, and then take your hands away. So if you've liked what we've done here today, I think you'll like the free workshop that I'm going to be hosting on July 30th at noon Eastern Time. And we're going to be doing more of this with some other tools to reduce the stress you're feeling, to access that calm within you, and to get the answers that you need so that you can take action. If you'd like to join us for that, you'll find that the name of the workshop is Return to Calm, Return to You, and you can find the link for that right below the video here. And if you'd like to get a head start on doing some more meditation, I've created another video that you can access even before the workshop. It's called Instant Calm, and you can access that right here.